Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna describe you what is CAD and what is BIM in construction industry. But first of all, I want you to subscribe my channel to help me make more tutorial videos, and also if you like this video, like it so more people can see my and watch my videos. Okay, let's jump into the definition of CAD and BIM. Actually, I've seen many people who are thinking AutoCAD is the same as CAD, but the truth is that CAD is not a software. Actually, AutoCAD is just one of the softwares that CAD technology supports it. So, CAD and BIM are two technologies or two processes in the construction industry. Here you can see some CAD-based softwares in my right hand and also BIM-based softwares in the left side. Okay, as you see, all these softwares such as 3ds Max, SketchUp, AutoCAD, and Rhino, all of these softwares are belonging to CAD technology. But as you see in the left side, the Revit, Vectorworks, Navisworks, and Archicad, these are some examples of BIM-based technology. Before using computers for drawing a plan or designs, all the processes were by hand, and so daunting was this task that I really appreciate that I was not living on those times. As you see in this picture, the situation was really difficult. But after a while, hopefully, CAD technology evolved in construction industry, and actually it's the abbreviation of a computer-aided design. In CAD technology, all the processes are as the same as drawing by hand, but the difference is that instead of drawing by humans, this time the computers do all of these drawings for us, so the speed is obviously up. But as the same as drawing by hand, if you need any edit on your drawings, you should do this on each of your documents one by one. By developing technology, today we have a chance to use BIM technology too. It is the abbreviation of Building Information Modeling, and in these kinds of softwares such as Revit, you have this ability not only to model all the elements of a building, but adding all the details such as the costs of material, all the layers of the wall, all the materials, and calculating all the prices precisely. Okay, I chose one software from each technologies, AutoCAD from CAD technology and Revit from BIM technology. And let's jump into my computer, and I'm gonna show you what is the difference between BIM and CAD practically by comparing these two softwares.
Well, first I would like to draw a wall in AutoCAD with rectangle command. A wall like this. Okay. As you see, we only have the dimensions of this wall, and even if we go to the AutoCAD 3D model, there is no height for this. And for allocating height, you should choose it and type the extrude command. And for example, I want it to be 3 meters height. Okay. If you are not watching this video and suddenly I bring and I put this box, this cubic form in front of you and ask you what is this, uh, definitely you can't imagine that this is a wall, because there is no other information in this model. This box can be anything else, so in AutoCAD and all of the CAD based softwares, when we are model component, if when we are model uh, elements such as wall, the only information we have are its dimensions, its thickness, its length, and its height. And if you want to, for example, draw a window here, you should model it uh, on this wall too. I mean, when you edit this drawing, you should do all of these drawings, all of these edits on the other documents. Moving to the Revit, first of all, here the commands are wall, door, windows. When I choose wall and draw a wall, as you see, there are more information for me. You can see all the layers of this wall. If you choose it and go to the properties in the right and click on the edit type, you can see all the layers here. If you click on the edit, you can edit all of these layers, and also you can change the materials of the layers. You can change the materials of the layers. As you see here, for example, for our interior finish, we have gypsum wall, and also its thickness is also editable. You can change all of the information here, and this is why we call softwares like Revit building information modeling or BIM based softwares. And the interesting thing is that if you go to the 3D view, you can see all of the things we made in a plan are included also in our 3D model. Look at here, these amazing layers of walls. You can see all of these. If you want to change the height of the wall, you can go to the properties. You can change the height, for example 2.5. Okay, and now you can see there are many information here, and if I ask you what is this, um, it's very probable that you tell me this is a wall, because if you choose this, all of the informations here, we have basic wall and all the layers are available in this amazing software. Okay, now I go to the plan and I want to draw a window here. As you see, the window is automatically embedded in this wall, and all of the editing processes that we should do while using CAD-based softwares are eliminated here. And again, the interesting aspect is that if we move to the 3D model, you can see it's a 3D with all of these details here. So automatically we are not only drawing a window in our plan, but also we can see it immediately in our 3D model. Uh, and also one of the things about BIM-based softwares is that because of including all of these information about, for example, the materials and layers of your wall, these types of softwares have this ability to calculate the price of your material and the amount of it very precisely.
Here in my YouTube channel, I'm gonna make some Revit software tutorials, which is one of the BIM based softwares. And if you are interested in learning Revit, I want you to subscribe my channel and like the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.